Hey, hi friends, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn a very basic but powerful and handy function in Microsoft Excel that is called Randarray. Why we need it? See, suppose we want to practice some function or any other purpose. What we can do is we need some fake data, we need some dummy data, right? Suppose we need some dummy numbers, we need some dummy dates. Okay, so in that case what you will do, nowadays also it is possible. What you can do is you can use any large language model like ChatGPT is there, Copilot is there, Gemini is there. So there you can go, you can write your prompt, you can say I need a data, dummy data, my column will be like this, column will be column number will be 5 and the rows will be like 10 or 20 or 15, like that, based on your requirement. So my header name will be like this ABC or XYZ, like that kind of. So it will generate the dummy data for you. Okay, and inside Excel, how you can do is, inside Excel also it is possible that you can generate the dummy numbers, dummy dates and all those things. I will show you how we can use it. Very basic function but very useful function. You can use it for your practice purpose. Okay, so here I have one data. This data also I have downloaded from ChatGPT. Okay, so what you can do is, here the state name is there, city name is there, and I want to get the population. Suppose for practice purpose I want to generate the random number. So what I will do, I will go here, equal, I will use the function Randarray tab, and now it is asking how many rows I want. Rows means how many rows I want. So for me, see here, I have 10 rows. Okay, so I will write 10. Otherwise, if you have large data, might be more than anything, might be 50, 100, 1000, 1 lakh, like this. What you can do is, in that time you can use the count function as well for counting this row and cell. As of now, I think you know how to use count function to get the data. Okay, so now it is comma. Now how many columns I want? I want only one column, because only in the population this column I want to get the data. So I will say one column. Okay, now it is asking minimum amount, how much it should be. So I would say minimum amount should be 10 lakh. Okay, and now it is asking, it is not minimum amount, minimum number, population minimum number, it is 10 lakh. Okay, and the maximum amount, maximum number, how much I want. So I will like 1 crore. I think it has given correct data. Okay, so now I will comma. Now it is asking integer. Integer one means, suppose I need any decimal or non-decimal. Suppose it is amount. If it is an amount, in that case we can use decimal function, a decimal. But here I need a round of number, so that's why I will not use decimal. I will use true, that is integer. Okay, tab, I will close the bracket, I will press enter. Now see, it has given me the data. The minimum is 10 lakh and maximum is 1 CR. So it has generated a dummy data for me. But this data, what you will do, you can copy it and then again you can paste it as a special, because it may changed. It is not the A1. Convert into values. See, here it is. So now it will not be changed. Sometimes it's changed automatically. Okay, anyway, so now it will not change. Other way you can do is, you can select it, you can drag it and then you can drop it here, so it will also be fixed as a value. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea how we can use the dummy data. Now another example I will show. Suppose here we want to get, suppose 2020, how many, the population, how much it was, 21, 22, 23. So this time what we need is, I need 4 column, right? And the row will be like how many? Okay, so what I will do, I will go here, equal, then Randarray, then I will use rows, how many rows I want. So here I will write 8. how many columns I want. That is, I can see 4, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, now minimum. Okay, so minimum I can write 1 lakh. Okay, maximum how much it should be, 1 crore. Is it the correct? 0. 1 here. Okay, now what I will do is I will press the comma. Again, I don't need the decimal because it is not a amount, so it is a round, it should be round figure. Tab, I will close it, I will press enter. So see, it has given me the all data based on my requirements, based on the minimum amount, minimum count, maximum population, and it has given me, it has filled the 8 rows and 4 columns. Now as it is not fixed, so what I will do, again I can copy it and I can paste it as a values. Otherwise what I can do, after selecting this, I will go right side and then I will come back here. So it now it is fixed as a value. Okay, so if I want to delete, I see if I click anywhere else, my formulas, my function is not visible here, but the beginning, if I go here, I can see. So if I delete, the entire will be gone. Okay, so now I don't want to delete, I can keep it like this way. So now you have got it, suppose, and now you can play with this. You have got the data. You if you want to convert it into price, so then also it is possible. You can go here, then the price and all those things you can do. Okay, you can do this kind of thing. Okay, so now you can play with this because you have got the data. And now based on your requirement, based on your practice, what you can do, you can play with this data. It's a dummy data generated by Excel, and this is about numbers. So I will show you date as well, the same thing, there is nothing special. So here also I will go equal, I want some random dates between 1st Jan to 31st December. Okay, so here I will go Randarray. I will how many rows I want. So rows, I would say 10 rows I want. How many columns I want, I would say 5 columns I want. Okay, now minimum, what minimum, this date. Okay, comma, now maximum which date, maximum date is this. Now comma, now it is again asking decimal or integer, so I don't need decimal because it is not a number. So I will select integer, I will press tab, close the quotation, I will press enter. So now see, it has generated the dummy dates for me. Okay, so till from the 1st Jan 2024 to 31st December 2024, it has given me the dummy data. So now the same thing what I will do, it may be changed because it is system generated. I will copy it and paste it as a value. Otherwise I can drag it right side little bit and then I can paste it here. So this will also work. Now it will not be changed. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. So in this video we have learned how to use Randarray to generate the random numbers, random dates. Okay, so for any dummy data, as I already told you, for any dummy data, if you want to get, you can use the large language model like ChatGPT, Copilot and Gemini. There also you can get the data. Otherwise you can download from Google as well. There are a few platforms, they will give you dummy data, but it is better you can download from ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini. Okay, so they will also provide the same kind of data. So now you can download it, you can copy and paste it, and you can practice it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.